Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of some of the best outdoor decorations for a spooky yard. Watch until the end to know which one is our best recommendation from the list. First on the list is Glitz Home 26-inch D-lighted Halloween bat wreath. Halloween is all about wild imagination. So while Christmas door wreath is all sparkly and inviting, the Halloween bat wreath is vivid and creepy. It's made of a pattern of bats and can be hanged at the front of the door on the window and on the walls. It's made of iron wire that keeps all the bats intact and has a built-in loop that allows you to hang it easily. It's also illuminated by white LED lights which reflect the glitter on the bats to give you the ultimate spooky experience. It's versatile. Aside from the door, you could use it on the walls and windows as well. Its dark shed creates a perfect contrast with white decor, giving you a very delightful and creepy effect. Halloween Tombstones Foam RIP 17-inch graveyard decorations. If you want a graveyard theme for your yard, then these 5-set tombstones are the go-to option. They have a realistic look with cracks that make the headstones look more real. They also have LED lights that gives them two different appearances. You can turn on the LED lights at night to make your yard look haunted. The lights are strategically positioned in the eyes of the head skulls carved in the tombstones. If turned on, they give the illusion of ghosts coming to life. Chick-style 2.4-pound 500-piece glow-in-the-dark stone pebbles. These eco-friendly luminous pebbles create a spooky, mystic look in your yard. All you have to do is charge them under a lamp, and they'll glow for 10 hours during the night. You can also opt to charge them under sunlight, but the glowing time will be limited. They can be used in the walkways and inside flower pots. They can also keep your kids busy and creative with making different glowing figures in the dark. You could also add them to ponds and fish tanks to create a creepy look. Joyan 3-pack hanging Halloween skeleton ghost decorations. This set of 3 hanging Grim Reapers are very realistic looking and of different sizes. They're dressed differently in rugged and tattered cloaks. They have adjustable arms that can be changed to show different perspectives. The materials used to make them are durable plastic, latex, and fabrics. They range from 30 to 50 inches tall and can be hanged from the roof easily. The skull heads look real and spooky with white and gray hair that's disheveled. You can add neon lights to make them more realistic, but either way, they're scary. 3-foot Halloween shrunken pumpkin courtyard decoration. This 3-foot stacked pumpkin light has a unique design that consists of different pumpkin sizes and witch's hut. It creates an exciting Halloween atmosphere with its 50 LED lights. You can put it in your yard to create an amazing trick-or-treat decoration. It comes with an instruction manual that makes it easy to install. The LED lights are powered by an IP44 electric battery. Hujo 60-inch giant spiders for Halloween with 12-foot spider web. This Halloween spider will catch the attention of your neighbors and guests at first glance. It adds on to the creepy atmosphere in your yard. And it's durable and can be used for other consecutive Halloweens. This is possible because it's very versatile, so if you're going for a different theme like haunted house or graveyard, it will still fit in. The spider has vivid red eyes and black fluffy fur on the legs. And the legs are easy to bend, which makes it portable and easy to store. It also comes with 40 G of cobweb and 20 small spiders. Once it's set up, it gives your yard a rugged, abandoned look and a spooky feel. Goose 12-foot-high Halloween inflatables outdoor ghost. This is especially good for kids. When you want to bring in the spooky without making it too intense for the kids, this inflatable ghost has LED lights built in. The lights rotate inside of it, and it has a cute face that is kid-friendly. It's made with durable, waterproof polyester that does not tear easily. It comes with ropes and stakes that help secure it on the ground. This way, you don't have to worry about it blowing away. It's also easy to install since it comes with a blower. All you have to do is inflate it and secure it on the ground with the stakes. So, which one is the best? All of these decorations stand out admirably. It depends on the theme for your Halloween and how much you're willing to spend. If you want to go big, and your pocket allows it, then you can use all of the above decorations. If you want to pick one, however, you can go for the one that stands out and represents your theme well, like the Halloween Tombstones Foam RIP 17-inch graveyard decorations, if you're going for a graveyard theme. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching, and let us know which video you want us to do next time.